In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use your Google Pixel 3a. By following the steps provided, you will set up your device, explore its basic features, and customize your experience to suit your preferences. To begin, turn on your Google Pixel 3a by pressing the power button located on the right side of the device. Once the screen lights up, follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language. After choosing a language, you will be prompted to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Make sure you select a network with a strong signal for a smoother setup process. Once connected to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows you access various apps and services. If you do not have an account, you can create one at this point. After signing in, you will see options to customize your preferences, such as location, services, and backup settings. Completing this setup process ensures your phone is ready for everyday use, so be sure to configure all initial settings correctly. Next, take some time to explore the basic features of your Google Pixel 3a. Start by navigating through the home screen where you can view apps and widgets. If you want to access the app drawer, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to find all installed applications. For quick access to notifications and settings, swipe down from the top of the screen. Open commonly used apps like phone, messages, and camera to familiarize yourself with their functions and layout. Understanding these elements will help you use your device more efficiently. After you have explored the basic features, it's time to customize your experience. To do this, navigate to the Settings app, which can be found in the app drawer or on the home screen. Within the Settings menu, you can adjust display settings, sound preferences, and notification options to fit your needs. Additionally, consider installing apps from the Play Store to expand the functionality of your phone. You could also personalize your device further by setting wallpapers and themes that reflect your style. Regular check for updates to ensure your Pixel 3 maintains optimal performance and security. Once you've completed these steps, your Google Pixel 3 will be fully set up and ready for daily use. You can now enjoy the various features and capabilities that this device offers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.